Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. Another video from Steamtown, this time off the observation bridge, and on the bottom, see a very large train here, Reading Lines. Safety is your job. This one is parked, although it says here, expect trains and locomotives to move in any direction at any time. And the railroad crossing signs. On this side, Steamtown National Historic Site, park winter hours. Recording here in April, still chilly outside. Steamtown Archives. Steamtown is home to historical archives of the Erie Lackawanna Railroad. And see a map and one of the trains I just took a photo of. Visitor Center, History Museum, Roundhouse Turntable, Roundhouse Section, Technology Museum. And here, Excursion Landing Platform, the mall at Steamtown, recently renamed. Trolley Museum, and more. The Lackawanna River in this area. You can see closer to the Trolley Museum in the back. And here is Lackawanna Radio, a small car on this side. And lots of parking. I took the long walk from the Steamtown Mall. See the various flowers and plants on the ground. I came from the observation bridge and something that says derail. So various rail changes, rails on the bottom here. Safe to walk, but of course listen and stay alert if anything is coming. 280 Consolidation Type Locomotive, Western Railroad, 1916. So this is 1937, 21 years of service, New Jersey. During its active career, number 15 hauled freight between the Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western Railroad at Summit, New Jersey, and the Lehigh Valley Railroad. See, here's a closer look at this one, number 15. On this side, see some more. This is another parked one. You can see the logo for Northwestern fading in time. Over here to the observation bridge that I took from my other video. Various parked trains on this side. Getting closer to the Northwestern, 1820-06 numbers on this side. Going closer to the rails, you can see more of the parked trains. And this is the area where you can meet for trolley rides, but no one else is here. This is all open, recording on a Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, this was closed according to the Steamtown website. And closer look at the trains on this side. You can get a 360 view of the area, the very long observation bridge. You get a cool walk to see all the trains on this end and coming back to the other side. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Steamtown in Scranton, Pennsylvania.